Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a school computer. First, locate the power button, typically found on the top right or front of the monitor. Once the computer starts, you'll see a login screen. Here, you'll enter your unique student identification number and your personal password. After successfully logging in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the desktop icons and the taskbar located at the bottom of your screen. This will be your main interface. Now that you're logged in, let's explore essential software. You can access productivity suites, like word processors and presentation software, directly from the Start menu. For research and online learning, utilize the web browsers available. It's crucial to save your work regularly. Always save your documents to your designated school network drive or a secure cloud storage solution to ensure your progress is safe and accessible. Using school computers comes with responsibilities, especially regarding internet safety. Always ensure your computer use is for educational purposes only. Never, under any circumstances, share your login credentials with anyone, not even your closest friends. If you encounter anything suspicious or inappropriate online, report it to a teacher or staff member immediately. Remember to be mindful of your digital footprint and how you interact online. Sometimes, you might encounter minor technical glitches. A simple restart of the computer can often resolve these issues. If your monitor or other peripherals aren't working, check all the cable connections to ensure they are secure. For persistent problems, don't hesitate to ask your teacher or the IT support staff for assistance. Finally, always remember to log out completely before you leave the computer for the day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.